Two different birds hatched in my yard this week. But something about this nest doesn't make sense. This time of year, everything starts happening at once. Nests that were quiet just days ago suddenly come alive. And somehow, I ended up with two hatching almost back to back. They started hatching just a few days ago. Tiny, quiet, barely visible at first. But when I look inside now, I can only see three. And I don't know if that's all of them, or if there's more hidden underneath. Earlier this week, something unexpected happened. A bumblebee got into the nest. And for a moment, everything felt a little uncertain. The other nest feels completely different. Active, busy, easy to understand. But this one is quieter. I keep checking throughout the day, looking for signs. Another head, another movement. But so far, it's still just three. And I think sometimes we expect more. More change, more certainty. But maybe what we're seeing right now is exactly what's meant to be there. I guess I'll find out soon.